This does not have to be a dragged out journey that costs you a lot of money. I fully understand divorce is not an easy journey. Nobody enjoys the journey of divorce. There are so many decisions, so many choices, and so much emotion that goes into it. You are just completely drained throughout the whole process. Now, there is a better, easier way to get divorced. This does not have to be a dragged out journey that costs you a lot of money. It does not have to be that way. You can be divorced and you can move on with your life. Kids are not as traumatized. We find a way to make it work for everybody. If you're going to tell me, Belinda, how on earth is this possible? Yes, through mediation. You can be divorced within 4 to 8 weeks, depending on how long the court roll is, but it can happen quickly. I am a divorce mediator and I work with both parties. I am an impartial party and I listen to what both of you have to say, and then we work towards finding an agreement to make this work. I assist you with drafting a settlement agreement, and we can get you through this divorce journey much quicker than if you're going to go through the litigation route. Litigation can last up to 2 to 3 years. There's some people who have been going through this, even I've heard stories of 6 years. With mediation, it can be all done within weeks. Within less than 3 months, it can all be done and you can move on with your life. There's less trauma for the kids also involved when you decide to do the mediation route. I set up a safe environment for both parties where you can speak. Remember, whatever happens in mediation cannot be held against you in court. This is really the better way, emotionally speaking, because with divorce there is a lot of emotion. It is not an easy journey. Look at the mediation route. It is so much better as well. I'm also a divorce coach where I work with one person. If you decide to go the litigation route, or if you do the mediation route with a different mediator, I can assist you on your divorce journey. There's a lot to decide, there's a lot to plan, and then also you can plan ahead what's going to happen with you after divorce. I work with you and I coach you, and we can make this journey amazing to find your better self. I'm also a co-parent coach where I sit with both of you, both parents, and then we find a way to make this parenting work after divorce. Because remember, both of you remain in each other's lives for as long as the kids are there, for as long as the other parents there. You guys are going to be involved for a lot of years coming that's lying ahead of you. Let's find a way to make this work. There is a lot of people that are making co-parenting work after divorce. I've got the tools and we can sit and plan this. So contact me. Let's work this out. You don't have to drag this out. This does not have to be a dragged out journey that costs you a lot of money. It does not have to be that way. You can be divorced and you can move on with your life. Kids are not as traumatized. We find a way to make it work for everybody. Let's do this. Contact me now and I will give you a free consultation where we can sit and discuss how we're going to move forward. I'm Belinda and I'm waiting for your call, and the best is lying ahead for you. Let's do this.